Erin Wines with E3 Realty, and I am delighted to welcome you to the Summergate Community in Tracy, California. This is a peaceful and safe gated community with absolutely lovely neighbors. 2247 Sudbury Court is located right by the pool and the park. This 3-bedroom condo is extremely spacious with an open concept kitchen and living area. Upstairs, the bathrooms are remodeled, and the master suite has the 2 biggest closets I've ever seen in a condo. And even though we're in a condo, there is a full 2-car attached garage. We are close to freeway access, as well as plenty of dining and fun things to do, such as the ever so fun West Valley Bowl. Come see for yourself and see that this condo is the perfect place to call home. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. If you have any questions, go to 2247sudbury.com or call me at 925-357-0369. See you next time.